Let's fill out the Massachusetts dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. All right, let's walk through what's required for a dirt bike bill of sale in this state, step by step. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. Both the owner, that's the seller, and the transferee, meaning the buyer, are both required to sign. So make sure both parties put their signatures on the document. Now, when does this happen? The signing and transfer take place at the time of delivery of the vehicle, so have everything ready to go when you hand over the keys. The seller also needs to provide a warranty of title to the transferee, which is basically the seller's assurance that they have the legal right to sell the bike. When it comes to the odometer, you'll need to include the actual odometer reading on the document. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.